In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back, honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as theories and frameworks and discourse analysis. Today, I'm going to teach you another framework, and it is Fairclough three-dimensional framework or three dimensions framework. Listeners and audience, this framework was proposed by Fairclough. It is a foundational framework for discourse analysis that examines the complex relationship between language, society, and discourse. This framework consists of three dimensions. The first one, that is called the text. The second dimension, that is called discursive practice. And the third one, which is the last one, it is socio-cultural practice. Listeners and audience, the first dimension is known as the text. Why? Because it focuses on the text. So it focuses on the linguistics and semantics features of the text. That how a text is written, organized, and structured. Like the grammar, vocabulary, the actual words and sentences. Listeners and audience, for example, if it analyzes a political speech, so it identifies the keywords, metaphors, persuasive strategies, rhetorical strategies, and also the words, the structures, and the semantics and linguistics features. The second dimension we have, and that is discursive practice. Discursive practice explores the use of language in context, that how language is used in a social context to create meaning and construct social relationships. It also examines the strategies and processes involved in the distribution, production, and the consumption of a text. In other words, it examines the processes and strategies involved in producing, consuming, and distribution of the text. Listeners and audience, for example, it examines that how, for example, a news article is written, edited, and published, and how it reflects the values and biases. And the third one, that is called socio-cultural practice. The third dimension is called socio-cultural practice. Socio-cultural practice means that it examines that how the text is shaped, how the text is shaped and reflected. The text is shaped and reflected mean that how the text is shapes and reflects the ideologies, structure relation or social relation, power structures, and ideologies. For example, it examines that either the speech of politician uh, reinforces an ideology or resist or challenge an ideology. It also examines that either a social media platform actually challenge a social norm or perpetuates. So, listeners, arrivals, you know that what is now, now you know that what is Fairclough three-dimensional model or framework and how it works. Hope that this topic is clear to you.